Hey, okay. So, what are we up to now? This is our final, well, it's the one we're going with this time around. This is our three. We're going for the three. Three big. There'll be 13 small jets. What we're trying to do by using this scenario is when it's all high thrust, when you plant your foot, it makes the engine instantly rev and the gearbox kick back to second very freely, which is a bit of a waste because it's just like a wah and then changes back to the next gear. So gets it revving, but it's a bit of a waste. So by opening up the flow, it should hold the gear better and just get going. Alright, so we've got the three. The impeller. We've got six pieces that we've added in. Now, as far as I can tell, or see, or envisage, is that they're sort of like a scramjet or a hypersonic jet engine, self-compressing. The other scenario that they potentially do is, because it is a restriction, it allows slightly less flow that the engine has to push, so it can rev over easily, plus the shapes, just the fluid running over the shape applies a turning force. So there's multiple things going on there. The single in the middle, I've had good results with that in other converters, so I've chosen to keep that. The edge on here, I've sort of squared it with that edge there, and from what I can tell from a couple of different tests is that it helps to reject the flow coming off of the stator and adds to the push, so it also gives an instant engine effect. The turbine on this one, so we've got the 3, the 6, we could say we've got the 1.6, but let's see how we want to look at it then. And on the turbine we've got the 9. We've got 9 extra blades at a smaller diameter, rather than fluid rushing through here not doing pushing on anything. It's got something to push against, so we've got many effects going on in here. It's a bit hard for you to see them. We've got 1, 2. We've got quite a large step inside the blade. So 4 supplies at a smaller diameter as well, with the big turn. You plant it high thrust, high turn. It's all high turn, high thrust. And also on the impeller, we're doing forwards to give as maximum amount of drive as possible directly onto the turbine. 1 big blade and lots of little blades, just small turns. I've gone through with all the edges and ground them all off, including in the inside and here. Can we see that? If I'd run this one before, I'll just move this in here, see if we can zoom down here. So I've been in there with the die grinder. see it. It's shaking around. Alright. Because this was a later model Impala. The blades were quite thick. But now we're getting a push effect directly off of there. They were sort of flat over the edge before and hit a point where it would like stall, as in you hit a rev that it doesn't want to go past. I think this will push all through, but the proof is in the pudding when we put it back in the car and try it out. Sorry about that. Alright, so that's where we're at. Looking forward to trying it. All good. 3, 6, 9. Cool. Thumbs up. All good. Cheers.